Hello, good day everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. As you all know what we've been doing here, for today's video we are going to look on how we can test a link or test a file before we install it. Okay, in case someone send you a link, or you need to click on a link to do something, but you don't trust or you don't have any knowledge about the link you're about to click or about the file you're about to install. Let me just show you this thing. You make sure you download a software called Virus Total or any link tester you can think of. Okay, install them on your device and use them anytime you are about to click on a link in order to prevent being scammed or share your secret or your privacy. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Okay, so in case someone send you a link through WhatsApp or any other communication platform, or you are about to click on a link to do something, but you don't have knowledge about the link, you don't know where it is taking you to. So such as this one here, all these links here are phishing links. Okay, so I hope if you don't have any knowledge about phishing, you can search on Google and learn something about it. Okay, so what you're going to do is that you just copy the link you're about to click on. You just copy the link, then open your virus tutor or your link tester. Okay, so when you open your virus tutor, okay, yes, okay, open the virus tutor or your link your URL tester, then you input or you paste the link you just copied. Okay, so when you open your virus tutor, in this section here is a file. Okay, so in case you have downloaded a file and you want to test it before you install, you come to the file section and you choose the file from your device and test it to detect any malicious or any phishing this thing behind it. Okay, but today we are dealing with URL, so you click on the URL. Go to a URL. Okay, then paste the link you copied from WhatsApp. Okay, so if I paste it here and search, so we click on the search button over there. Okay, so let's wait for the results. All right, so you can see that from the security vendors analysis, you can see that Fortnite as a virus, Fortnite as a virus is detected, which is a phishing. So this means this link is a phishing link and also contains a malware. Casper Sky, it also contains a malware. Okay, this malware could be a spy app or a virus to be installed or to be, let me say, to be installed on your device when you click on the link. And this phishing can be, it doesn't mean that when you fill a form through this link or when you perform an action, they can get your information, such as your this thing, your device information, camera information, and many more, when you just click on the link without performing an action. Okay, so this means this link is what? A phishing link, and you must not click on it. And whenever you test search link and see this thing is happening on WhatsApp, mostly it is WhatsApp that we've been seeing search these things. Okay, like how the word phishing, as you can see, so it's like phishing, similar to the normal phishing we know. Okay, It is fish similar to the normal fishing we know. If you want to fish or to if you go to the sea or any water body and you want to fish, you have to put something um in your hack to remove the fish, so that they will want to eat that meat or something like that. And that is how that is how this thing also work. They will also do something that will attract the view the you as the this thing, the victim. It will attract you to click on the link, and that is how they will use to get you. So please use this virus total. I've used it for several times, and it has helped me. I can see that it is working properly. It is correct. Or you can also install any other URL tester you think it is this thing. But what I'm trying to tell you is that make sure you have such software on your device to be able to check any link or file before you install. Okay, don't wait to be an victim before you realize that you could have do something like this. Okay, be aware of all these things. Thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel.